Hi, I'm Jason, and in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can colorize your old black and white photos with minimal effort. This whole tutorial came about when I was going through my old tech and I came across my old scanner which I'd barely used in 5 years. Mine looks a bit like this. You might already have one built into a printer. If not, they're relatively cheap to pick up from Facebook Marketplace, eBay or Gumtree, etc. And it got me thinking. My mum had an old photo album full of old family black and white photos that had never seen the light of day for many years. And my mum's been a bit poorly lately, in and out of hospital, and I thought it might cheer her up if I created her a new photo album with all her old family pictures resurrected in colour. Because you've got to remember, years ago we didn't have the technology to colorise photos very well, and people used to hand paint to colorise, a bit like this example. And although it looks good with eye-popping colour, these types of colorizations didn't really look that very realistic. Luckily for us though, technology has moved on, and I'd like to share a free website with you that will allow you to upload, colorize and download the pictures free of charge. So let's take a look. So I'm going to open an Explorer window here, and in the address bar I'm going to type palette.fm. I'll put all the links below in the description. So as you can see on the main page, in big bold letters it says Colorized Pictures, automatic, no sign up and free. And over on the right here we can see we've got an upload image or drop a file. So I'm going to go upload image, and let's navigate to the place that holds all of my pictures. And here they all are. Let's make them a bit larger so we can actually see what we're going to choose. So for example there, I've got a picture of my great nan and great granddad in 1960. So I'm going to select that one and say open. And as you can see at the top left, the original is being scanned, and then the next one along, the base palette, is also being scanned. So the software is analysing the picture to understand what the picture is and to add colour accordingly. And generally, just by letting the base palette do its job, tends to be pretty much spot on. Now the only caveat to this would be whether or not my great nan's dress was yellow and my great granddad's shirt was blue. But I guess we'll never know, unless of course my mum remembers. But you can see across the top there that there are many different filters that you could choose from. So if I scroll across, one of the ones that I quite like is Matte Ruby, and if you click on it, you'll see it applying the filter. And then we can compare. So we can see the Matte Ruby there. If I go back to the base palette, we can see the base palette probably has more vibrant colours, but I'll let you be the judge of whether or not you think the Matte Ruby is more realistic. So let's say I'm happy with the base palette one and I want to download it. I simply go down here, click on the download button, and we can see it's gone straight to my downloads. And just to prove that it is in there, I've just double clicked and opened it from my downloads folder, and we can see the picture. Let's try another one. So we're going to go new, and let's try a picture from 1946. So it's scanning the original, applying the base palette of colours, and there we have it. So let's scroll along and we'll pick something different. Cinematic shades, let's try that. Wow, That is quite cinematic. One other thing that I've noticed is over on the right here we've got this pencil icon. Let's try this. When you click it, it gives you a prompt in what the software suspects the image to be. So in this example it says a stock photo of people, wooden, yard, gift, child, bookmark and father, blah 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 blah. But notice here it says surprise me. Let's just click on this. And we can see the prompt above has changed. But by all means, I would recommend you try it out. Let me just get back to the home page. And you're probably wondering, well, yeah, okay, it's all free, Jace, but I do see, I can't help but notice in the pricing heading over here. So let's have a look at the pricing. So we can see we can use it free for unlimited free colorizations with a maximum of 500 by 500 pixel size. And you get one free HD credit, high definition. No watermarks, commercial licensing, and 20 plus filters. So what if you wanted more high definition pictures? Well, as you can see here, if you subscribe to this website, you'll save 28% and only be paying 20 cents per HD image. Or you can go for a plan, 40 credits, 200 credits, 500 credits, and there are more details here. The link is in the description below. Check it out. Leave a comment, let me know how you get on with it. If you'd like to see me creating a photo album using an online picture album creation utility, let me know in the comments also and I'll create the video for it. Thanks for watching.